Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to change your Instagram account for not receiving any direct messages from spamming accounts. So for doing this, let's open Instagram. Just open the settings. In the settings you need to tap on privacy. Here you need to first thing just find here messages. So also you can choose here your followers requests. So after only you accept request, so people will be able for sending you direct messages. So after you can also just open comments. In comments you can also choose allow comments from and just choose some special on your followers or some special list. So after everyone won't be able for adding to your profile some comments. So also after you can just open story. Here you can also just choose people you follow or something like this, and no one else will be able for seeing your stories. And also mentions, if you choose no one, so no one will be able for mention you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to our channel, click like and bye.